Is your sales funnel springing leaks? You're not the only one. It's a common struggle for businesses to convert those hard-earned leads into paying customers. Conversion rate optimization, CRO, is the key to plugging those leaks and boosting your bottom line. By strategically optimizing each stage of the buyer's journey, you can significantly improve your results. Understanding your sales funnel. Your sales funnel is the journey a customer takes from their first interaction with your brand to ultimately making a purchase. Think of it as a roadmap guiding potential customers toward becoming loyal patrons. To effectively optimize your funnel for conversions, you need to understand the distinct stages and how customers behave at each step. Awareness. This is the first impression. Potential customers become aware of your brand through various channels like social media, blog posts, search engine results, or referrals. Imagine a user scrolling through their Facebook feed and stumbling upon an engaging post about your latest product. That's awareness in action. Interest. Once aware, users may become intrigued and want to learn more. They might visit your website, download a resource, or engage with your social media content. This signals their interest in what you offer. For example, a user clicking on a link in your Instagram bio to explore your website demonstrates a piqued interest. Desire. This is where the magic happens. Potential customers, now armed with information, start to develop a desire for your product or service. They see the value proposition and how it solves their needs. This could manifest as adding a product to their online shopping cart, signing up for a free trial, or requesting a demo. Action. The final stage is where the conversion occurs. The customer takes the plunge and makes a purchase, subscribes to your service, or completes a desired action. This could be completing an online order, signing a contract, or filling out a registration form. Understanding your target audience's behavior at each stage is crucial for optimization. What channels do they frequent during the awareness stage? What type of content captures their interest? What are their pain points and motivations? Answering these questions will allow you to tailor your messaging and calls to action, CTAs, for maximum impact. Personalized CTAs convert 202% better than generic ones. By understanding your audience and personalizing their journey, you pave the way for increased conversions and business growth. Step-by-step CRO optimization guide. Now that you have a basic understanding of your sales funnel and its stages, let's dive into the nitty-gritty of optimization. This step-by-step guide will equip you with actionable strategies to increase conversions at every stage. Awareness stage optimization. The awareness stage is all about attracting the right audience to your brand. It's about making that crucial first impression and piquing their interest. To do this effectively, you need to create targeted content that resonates with your ideal customer and distribute it through the right channels. Content that connects. Develop high-quality content that addresses your target audience's pain points, interests, and needs. Think blog posts, infographics, videos, and social media updates that offer valuable information and establish your expertise. For example, a fitness apparel brand could create blog posts about workout routines, healthy recipes, and motivational tips to attract health-conscious consumers. SEO optimization. Optimize your website and content for search engines to improve visibility and attract organic traffic. Remember, 53% of all website traffic comes from organic search, so a strong SEO strategy is essential. This involves conducting keyword research, optimizing website content, building high-quality backlinks, and ensuring your website is mobile-friendly. Paid advertising for a boost. Utilize paid advertising campaigns to reach a wider audience and drive targeted traffic to your website. Platforms like Google Ads and social media advertising allow you to target specific demographics, interests, and behaviors. For instance, a software company could run targeted Google Ads campaigns to reach users who are actively searching for project management tools. Interest stage optimization. Once you've captured the attention of potential customers, it's time to nurture their interest and guide them further down the funnel. This involves providing valuable content, building relationships, and re-engaging those who have shown interest. Landing pages that convert. Create compelling landing pages that capture leads and encourage visitors to take the next step. Offer valuable incentives like free ebooks, discount codes, or exclusive content in exchange for email subscriptions. A landing page with a clear call to action and a concise, persuasive message can significantly improve conversion rates. Content that nurtures. Provide valuable content that educates, entertains, and builds relationships with your leads. This could include email newsletters with informative articles, product updates, customer success stories, and exclusive offers. By consistently delivering valuable content, you nurture leads and keep your brand top of mind. Retargeting for second chances. Use retargeting ads to re-engage website visitors who have shown interest but haven't converted. These ads follow users across the web, reminding them of your brand and offering relevant products or services. Website visitors who are retargeted with display ads are 70% more likely to convert, making it a powerful tool for CRO. Desire stage optimization. At this stage, potential customers are starting to warm up to your brand and consider making a purchase. Your goal is to solidify their desire by highlighting the benefits of your product or service, addressing any objections, and building trust. Showcase your value. Create compelling product demos, testimonials, and case studies to showcase the value of your offerings and how they solve customer problems. Address potential objections head-on and provide clear, concise answers to common questions. For instance, a SaaS company could create a video demo highlighting the key features and benefits of their software. Sweeten the deal. Offer incentives and promotions to encourage conversions and create a sense of urgency. This could include free shipping, discounts, bundle deals, limited-time offers, or early bird pricing. Incentives can be a powerful motivator, especially for those who are on the fence about making a purchase. Build trust and credibility. Build trust and credibility through social proof and customer reviews. Feature testimonials from satisfied customers, showcase industry awards and recognitions, and encourage customers to leave reviews on your website and social media platforms. 92% of consumers read online reviews before making a purchase, so positive reviews can significantly influence buying decisions. Action stage optimization. The action stage is the culmination of all your efforts. Your potential customer is on the verge of converting, whether that means making a purchase, signing up for a newsletter, requesting a consultation, or downloading a resource. Your goal is to remove any remaining obstacles and provide a smooth, effortless experience. Eliminate friction. Analyze your conversion process and identify any potential friction points. This could be a lengthy form, a confusing call to action, or a lack of clear instructions. Streamline the process and make it as easy as possible for users to complete the desired action. For example, if you have a long registration form, consider breaking it down into multiple steps or using a progress bar to show users where they are in the process. Offer options. Provide users with choices and flexibility to cater to their individual preferences. This could include offering various ways to contact your business, phone, email, live chat, providing different subscription tiers, or allowing users to customize their experience. Giving users options empowers them and increases the likelihood of conversion. Build confidence. Instill confidence in your audience by addressing any concerns they may have. This could include offering a money-back guarantee, providing clear and concise terms and conditions, or showcasing security badges and trust seals. Building trust is crucial for encouraging users to take that final step. Provide support. Be readily available to answer any questions or address any concerns that may arise during the conversion process. Offer prompt and helpful customer support through various channels, such as email, live chat, or phone. A positive support experience can significantly impact conversion rates and build customer loyalty. By implementing these CRO strategies at each stage of your sales funnel, you can create a seamless and persuasive customer journey that drives conversions and boosts your bottom line. Remember, conversion rate optimization is an ongoing process of testing, analyzing, and refining your strategies to achieve optimal results. Analyze and refine your CRO strategy. Optimizing your sales funnel requires continuous monitoring, analysis, and refinement to ensure you're squeezing every ounce of potential from your CRO strategy. Think of it as a dynamic process of fine-tuning your approach based on real-world data and insights. Track the right metrics. To gauge the effectiveness of your CRO efforts, you need to track key performance indicators, KPIs. These metrics provide valuable insights into user behavior and highlight areas for improvement. Monitor website traffic to understand how many visitors you're attracting, and analyze conversion rates to see how many of those visitors are taking the desired action. Keep an eye on bounce rates to identify pages with high exit rates, and track customer acquisition cost, C, to understand the cost of acquiring new customers. Leverage A/B testing. A/B testing is a powerful tool for comparing different versions of web pages and identifying which elements perform best. By testing different headlines, calls to action, images, and layouts, you can gather data on what resonates most with your audience. For example, you could test 2 different headlines on your landing page to see which one leads to more conversions. A/B testing allows you to make data-driven decisions and optimize your website for maximum impact. Embrace change. The digital landscape is constantly evolving, and your CRO strategy should evolve with it. Continuously analyze your data, identify trends, and adapt your approach based on the insights you gather. The only constant in the digital world is change, so be prepared to adjust your strategies and experiment with new tactics to stay ahead of the curve. Regularly review your website analytics, user feedback, and industry best practices to ensure your CRO strategy remains effective and relevant. Taking action, CRO, and the path to conversion. Optimizing your sales funnel is a critical component of any successful digital marketing strategy. By implementing the CRO strategies outlined in this guide, you can transform your online presence, boost conversions, and drive revenue growth. Remember, every stage of the customer journey presents an opportunity to engage, persuade, and convert. Take action today and start implementing these techniques to optimize your sales funnel for maximum impact. Need an extra hand? Aspiration Marketing can help. Contact us for a free consultation and let our team of CRO experts guide you to success. Ready to turn your website into a conversion powerhouse? Visit our website to learn more about our CRO services and unlock your business's full potential.